students, we are here and today we have to discuss about irrigation in the crop production. So irrigation is mainly referred to the application of required amount of water to the plants at required interval. So when we put water in the crops, that is termed as irrigation. So apart from providing water, irrigation also benefit by providing moisture for the germination of seed, make the soil more fertile and facilitates proper growth and development. Types of irrigation. So there are two methods of irrigation. One is the modern, one is the traditional methods. So both the methods are having their own benefit. After that, modern method takes less time also. Traditional, it was time taking, and many more things are there that we will discuss. Now first we will discuss about the modern method. The modern method of irrigation are more effective system of irrigation developed in modern decades. The modern method of irrigation help us to use water economically without wastage. So there is very full consumption of water is done and there is no wastage of water. Source of irrigation are well, tube wells, pond, lake, rivers, dam and canals, etc. So these are the source of irrigation. So traditional methods of irrigation are with the traditional methods. So the water available in the wells, lake and canal is lifted up by the different methods in different regions for taking into the field. So here for this, for lifting the water, either the cattle or the human labor was used in these methods which we are going to discuss. So these methods are cheaper but less efficient and various traditional ways. Now there was the wastage of water also. So first one is the moat, then chain pump. Okay. So pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Diesel, biogas, electricity and solar energy is also used to run these pumps. So here you can see the moat system. Okay. So in the moat system you can see that there is a bucket like structure present in the man's hand. Okay. So what he is doing with the help of the pulley, this one is the pulley. Okay. It is pulled backside and from there the water from the well will come out. The water from the well, it will be come out, and when it will come out, then again then this, what this man will do, it will lift the water and pour in the canal. So with the help of the canal, the water will reaches to the field. So till the canal, if the canal is little bit long, then what will happen, the most of the water will be absorbed by the canal first canal, that channel through which the water will go, that will absorb the water, and this is only cause the wastage of water. So after absorbing a good amount of water, then only this water will reaches the field. So here is the wastage of water. This was about the moat system. Another one is, you can see Dhekli system. In the Dhekli system you can see there is a lever like structure present. So a wood is there which will act as a lever. On this, a bamboo or a big, so on this lever like structure you can see that a long log of wood is there. Okay, a wood is there, a bamboo can be used. So at the end of the bamboo, what you can see, a load is there. So at the end of the bamboo you can see a load is tied. So due to this heavy load, what will happen? It will be stretched. It will be stretched downwards, and due to that the water will come upwards from the well, and after that it will be easy for the man to draw the water into the channel. Is termed as dhekli. Then next we will go for next for the chain pump. Now what happens in the chain pump? A chain like structure, you can see it is attached. Alright. Now what happens in the chain pump? When this chain pump is run with the help of any labor or with the help of the animal, so as this wheel will rotate, it will carry the water along with it and it will be poured into the channel, as you can see. The another one is the rahat. Now what happens in this rahat? This rahat is connected. This one is connected. So this rod, you can see it is connected to this wheel through this surface. You can see the surface here. Okay, it is connected to the wheel. Now then along with this rotate, wheel will do the rotation. So as the wheel will do the rotation, then what will happen? This water from the source will come out, and in this wheel you can see various buckets are tied. So here you can see the buckets are there. Okay, so these buckets are tied. So when these buckets move downward, they bring the water from the water resource, pour it into the canal, and through which it goes to the different field. So this was about the traditional method. Now the modern method used is for the irrigation is sprinkler system. So this system is more useful on the uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes have the rotating nozzles on the top, which are joined to the main pipeline at regular interval. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure, with the help of pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzle and it gets sprinkled on the crops as it is raining, and this is very useful for the sandy soil. Now the drip system. In this system, the water falls drop by drop just at the position of the root. So this is the best technique for watering the water to the plants drop by drop, and water is not wasted, and it is a boon in the region where availability of water is poor. So student, let it be this much for today. Rest of the things we will discuss in the next class.